Chrome 2025. Hidden features, smart tools, and power user secrets you should be using. Google Chrome continues to be the world's most popular browser. But in 2025, it's more than just a web browser. It's a productivity powerhouse packed with underused features. As Chrome evolves with AI integration, smarter privacy controls, and seamless cross-device syncing, users who know how to unlock its full potential gain a serious edge. Here are the most important tools and tweaks you can start using today to transform your Chrome experience into a streamlined, ultra-productive workspace. Let's start with something deceptively simple: the address bar, or Omnibox. While most people use it for URLs or quick searches, it now functions as a command center. Type calculator and solve math problems without leaving your tab. Enter Weather City or define word to get live results instantly. You can now search your Google Drive files directly by typing Drive followed by your keyword. Chrome's latest Omnibox updates in 2025 include AI summarization of pages you're about to click on. Hover over a link and get a preview summary powered by Gemini AI. This alone can save hours per week for researchers, students, and content creators. Power users should also activate Tab Group Save, which lets you close and reopen tab groups with all pages, states, and scroll positions preserved. It's perfect for switching between project modes. The second level of power comes from extensions, but not just installing them. Managing them smartly is what sets expert users apart. Chrome now lets you create extension profiles, where each set of extensions is grouped by task. For example, one profile might enable SEO and writing tools, while another activates only social media and scheduling plugins. Switching profiles can now be triggered by opening a particular URL or tab group. New 2025 AI-assisted extensions like Workona AI and Superpower ChatGPT analyze your browsing behavior and offer to restructure your tabs, suggest research links, or summarize PDF documents in one click. They work seamlessly with Chrome's new memory saving mode, reducing the RAM load from heavy multitasking. Users should learn to audit extensions regularly. Chrome flags high memory or privacy-invading tools and recommends alternatives. This simple discipline can double your browser speed. Third, let's talk about multitasking, especially with Chrome's new split view tab feature and side panels. You can now drag tabs into built-in split layouts without needing external tools. Compare documents, watch a YouTube tutorial while writing in Google Docs, or monitor analytics while scheduling content, all in one window. Side panels are now modular. You can pin Gmail, Calendar, and Notion, or even a custom RSS feed to the side and collapse it when needed. A new focus mode dims all inactive tabs and highlights your main workspace, which helps avoid cognitive overload. Google also introduced intent-based notifications, a smart alert system that knows when you're researching and suppresses low-priority pop-ups until you're done. If you're recording podcasts, this also ensures your Chrome setup stays distraction-free during live reads or editing sessions. Finally, Chrome's cross-device magic has hit a new level. The device handoff feature, introduced this year, lets you pick up tabs, media, or sessions from another device in real time. Watching a video on your phone? With a single click, resume it on your laptop where you left off. No searching, no syncing. Chrome also now syncs clipboard history across devices. Copy a quote or link on mobile, paste it on desktop instantly. Your saved tab groups, extensions, and even active sessions transfer automatically between Chrome profiles tied to your Google account. Chrome's AI assistant, integrated with Gemini, can now be summoned in the tab bar to summarize emails, draft responses, search recent documents, or generate blog outlines without leaving the browser. These integrations mean Chrome is no longer just a passive tool. It's a smart, active assistant that knows what you're doing and offers help before you even ask. Chrome 2025 is built not just for browsing, but for doing. From AI-driven tab control to ultra-productive extensions, split screens, and device syncing tools, mastering these features gives you a serious edge in today's digital hustle.